here.
Like and subscribe.
How's my hair?
Freshly trimmed.
I'm gonna president. Okay. Please delete that. I know it's gonna be used against me.
God. Well, he has a blackmail list on everyone else.
I'm so happy to be here.
Yeah. Can you sound less like a hostage?
That's not gonna save you.
So
Go on.
these measurements.
Yes.
That's 10.5
To the nose.
from the riser to the nose.
To the nose, yeah. But the reason I do that is because the only thing in this case that's relevant to us is the nosing line.
Yes, except for
The notch here.
right. Yeah, and
For this
sort
one.
of up here too.
Yeah.
Okay.
I made you a pretty picture.
Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you. This is a terrible picture, but I wanted to try and I was like, Walker needs to get over here so you can see Stanley sitting there enjoying his fire pit. Like anytime we go over there, he like rushes out to like set
like
up
start
and,
a fire.
park himself in front of the fire. Like he was just rubbing it and whipping it last time we were there.
Yeah.
We call again. And he's sitting out there just watching it burn.
1:45 on a Thursday. He's smoking a pipe by his fire pit.
Just enjoying the fire pit. It's like
Stan's got it figured out, man. So it'd be 137.6.
there's all that. I just verified the other one's like 132.7 and 32.4.
Oh, that's to the 90.
Right.
So that would be, this would be 132.4, which, and this is 90 here.
Cool. Math.
So what kind of stuff, like if you were to mark this up, say like you need X dimensions.
For me, any kind of intersection angles.
Okay.
And then these are all, I presume, center to center, which gets a little bit confusing. Like when you have a intersection like that, but I'm assuming that it's long end or essentially
What would
splitting
you
the center.
prefer?
Center to center is how I typically do everything.
This is measured to that outside.
To the outside. Well, then really it's whatever makes the most sense. I'm malleable in that sense because when in my fabrication history in world, it was all bicycle centric and it was all metric and everything was center to center. So kind of everything I'm looking at with fresh eyes when I look at this stuff. But really the angles, and I will,
angles, outside lengths.
Outside lengths, angles, spacing typically. Like that's the kind of thing that Tate doesn't throw on there, but for me it's like just helpful to see it on there. Like picket spacing and like that.
Like I'll
Because
say,
it's like it's universal, sure, but like just having that double, I like just being able to visualize that.
All right.
But yeah, heck yeah. I'm stoked to have you here.
thanks man, appreciate it.
All right, all fab's done on these rails, off to the powder coater and then to the customer's house. Well, we're here at Suzanne's house. It's a lovely house up here in Southwest County. And Aaron and I are on site. We get to an
day.
It's an 80-degree day. at the beginning of November. Global warming. But we have these sweet rails ready to install. And customer's been lovely to work with and take our time and do a job. So let's unload, set up, and install. Very cool. I got bark as siding and then some stonework. Oh, hey, doggo. Oh, this paint looks great.
I just finished it yesterday.
I'm showing your beautiful house off to the people of YouTube. Is that cool?
Cool. Oh, you know, Tokyo, my husband will love that.
Oh, look at the dog.
Oh, he's so good.
Good morning. Good morning. Look at the black paint.
Oh wow, that makes such a difference,
Doesn't it?
That looks fantastic.
The baseboard is what does it for me.
We're the painters.
Killer.
He did the walls, I did the trim.
Yeah.
Got that up. Nice,
Little
nice.
touch up on the walls that we would show.
Well, we brought some cleaner and
Yeah.
we'll be low impact hopefully.
Yeah.
All right, so Aaron is on oak patching duty. What's your plan, doctor?
Well, right now I'm upgrading my sander because these little corners get burnt up and then it doesn't want to hold the abrasive.
The all-important sandpaper.
But I'm gonna chisel that flat to start with and then take a square section out and then we're gonna do some grain matching. Just got some slight variants here.
Nice.
Different. I got two red and white oak blend. Hopefully something in there we can get going in.
It's like a Merlot.
Got some matchy.
Oh, nice. And that is for patching these fellas here.
Is the preferred applicator anytime you're working chemicals.
That's what I thought. I like the cooling sensation acetone gives skin. Mm-hmm. It's nice.
Band-Aid finder helps you. Locate where to put the Band-Aid.
There you go.
Thank you.
Piece of wood.
Yeah, one right in here, right below that. Did have a hammer. Wax on top of this when it's dry.
Daggone.
Pretty good. One down.
Nice. Simple. Caveman style.
Kind of sloppy and sketchy intentionally.
Because you'll smear it.
Smear it, blend it.
Don't worry. Our viewers are never satisfied anyway, so.
Hopefully we get some good ASMR crowd.
Yes, the stairs are my canvas and the marker is my paintbrush. You feel inspired?
I did. Yeah. Renaissance artist.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's seriously the most finished room in our whole house because we got little projects we gotta do.
Yeah.
I love it.
That's fantastic.
So good. And I love that. I wasn't expecting, I didn't know how it would end, but
We just sort of made it up.
yeah, well, it looks good. I love it. Oh, if we can find anything else to weld, y'all are.
Oh, warms my heart.
Yeah.